The new Indian smartphone brand AI Plus has launched two new budget-friendly smartphones in India called AI Plus Pulse and AI Plus Nova 5G, with quiet, cool-looking design. Among these two, the Nova 5G is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the AI Plus Nova 5G smartphone. The new AI Plus Nova 5G sports a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus IPS display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified secondary lens. Under the hood, the AI Plus Nova 5G comes powered by Uni SoC T8200 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with NXT Quantum OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.04 by 77.7 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The AI Plus Nova 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 7,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 13th, in black, blue, green, pink, and purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this AI Plus Nova 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.